BauDoc and TechDoc are two apps for mobile business processes. You can use it for different types of projects like construction, technology, machinery, industry, facility management, technical service, maintenance, reports, documentations, inspections, and much more. We import your data via EFC from your CAD software or from your point clouds via geo-coordinates. We use both of them to place points of interests on this data. In the app, you can choose your project and go to the plans. Here you can see all the points of interest that are already collected from the building site. This can be different types like defects, service points, maintenance, tests, or any kind of information you're interested in. They are all linked to tickets and activities. So you can also switch to a list and see the tickets, including all the photographs that are made on the building site. Then we can switch to another project type. So here you can see we use different data, like a drone scan, and set all the points of interest here. Again, they are linked to tickets and activities. You can switch to the list. You can also put on a filter and look up work in progress, and for example, a special project member. And then you get here your tickets and also in the scan the points of interest you're looking for. You can switch to the ticket. Again, you see all the special attributes and also the connection to the project member, which is automatically informed if you sync these tickets to the web application. Again, you can switch to another project type. And here you can see we also can use GPS connected data for track projects or road projects. You can set your points of interest here on a map or plan. This has a relation to GPS data. And again, you can see all your photos and tickets included. And then in the end, you can easily sync all your work to this server and web application. In the app, you can also use the construction diary for each project. You choose your project, you go to the diary, then you have for each day here for weather and how many people are working for each company on the building site. Another thing is you can use checklists. So for each project, you have different types of checklists, templates in here you can use. And then just fill in all the fields, make your photos and send it back to the server as well. Here in the web application, you get all your information from the users in the app, like tickets and activities. And you can switch to the projects, have a quick overview, new photos, new tickets. You can also jump here to the extended list. You can use the filter here again, like looking up priority for high tickets. And then you get a quick result. You see all the tickets. One is done, the others are open. And you can also switch here to the ticket details, like the photos and all the details. It's always connected to project member and who is responsible. So all the tickets here in the list can automatically be forwarded to the project members and companies. And you can also give them an own account here, a login, so they can look up the topics by their own and just use it here in the web application or in the app and send you a new work in progress with pictures and descriptions back into the software. Here you can also find in each project the checklists. that we used in the app. They also come here with the synchronization. And the other thing is you can, for each project, can easily and quickly use your report templates, and with some quick definitions here, what you need in the report, you will get in seconds a report you can share with the project members or even download and send it somewhere. It looks like that. You have your plan, you have your markups, you have your points of interest and the numbers related to the tickets here, description and details by the photos, and even the history is in the reports, and you can easily share them with all the members in the project. Another last point is that you can use here in the projects the category objects, which means technical parts like heating or doors are managed here. They all get a QR code. They get a maintenance timeline. When is the next time for maintenance? And you can also connect this with checklists to prove the standards. Another part where we use QR codes is here in rooms. In the project structure, a room can get a QR code. You can also print the QR code, fix it on the building site, and scan it with the app. So the user can really quickly jump to the tickets in a certain area on the building site without a long searching time. So here in the web application connected to the app, you have a complete team communication integrated. And besides the team communication, also gives you a complete documentation in the end of the project. Preview is always there, what needs to be done, looking back, who did it, and what was the issue. You have your construction approvals in here. You can put in documents and videos connecting to the tickets. You have your construction diary, which is synchronized from the app to the server, and manage here all activities and the response. Construction progress is always live here, and you always have your quality improvement, what you can look up here, and even send it back to all the users in the projects via the app.